Welcome back, everyone. Are you ready to make Canada your permanent home and become a citizen in 2023? Well, today is your lucky day. In this captivating video, we will uncover the secrets to obtaining permanent residence in Canada. From the incredible benefits to the step-by-step process, we've got all the information you need. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the amazing benefits of becoming a permanent resident in Canada. From 2023 to 2025, Canada aims to welcome between 410,000 to 505,000 new permanent residents. As a permanent resident, you'll have equal rights with Canadian citizens. Imagine enjoying free education for your children, social benefits, the right to live and work anywhere in Canada, universal health care, and even maternity and paternity support. The opportunities are endless. Now, let's discuss the requirements for obtaining permanent residence in Canada. You must prove your language proficiency, showcase your educational qualifications, demonstrate your work experience, and provide proof of funds. Additionally, being above 18 years of age is a must. It's essential to have an invitation to apply for permanent residence, so make sure you have all these prerequisites covered. So, what's the best way to get permanent residency in Canada? Let me reveal the secret pathways to you. First, there's the Express Entry program, a streamlined process for skilled workers. Alternatively, you can choose the Provincial Nomination Program, which allows each province to nominate individuals with specific skills and qualifications. And if you're a business investor, the Business Investor Program might be the perfect fit for you. With these options, getting permanent residency in Canada becomes a stress-free journey. Now, let's talk about the quickest way to get permanent residency in Canada, the Express Entry Program. Many people refer to this program as the Express Lane because it ensures a faster processing time. With Express Entry, you can obtain your permanent residence in as little as 6 months or even less. It's the perfect option if you're looking for speed and efficiency. Exploring the immigration pathways in Canada for 2023 is essential. One such pathway is the Provincial Nominee Programs, PNPs, which allows each province and territory to nominate individuals with specific skills and qualifications. By meeting their criteria and receiving a nomination, your chances of obtaining permanent residency significantly increase. Another pathway is the Express Entry Program, designed specifically for skilled workers. If you meet the eligibility requirements and earn a high enough score in the comprehensive ranking system, you could receive an invitation to apply for permanent residency. Lastly, we have the Federal Skilled Worker Program, perfect for those who can contribute to Canada's economy with their work experience, qualifications, or skills. And let's not forget the Canadian Experience Class, which allows individuals who have worked in Canada for at least 1 year to immigrate permanently. Are you ready to take the next steps towards securing your permanent residence? The process is straightforward. Sign up for an account on the Canada Permanent Resident portal and click the link to apply for permanent residence under Express Entry. Make sure to submit all the required documents and complete all the mandatory fields. Failure to do so will prevent you from submitting your application. And remember, your Express Entry invitation to apply is valid for 60 days only, so act fast. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this captivating video packed with invaluable information about obtaining permanent residence in Canada. We hope you found it both informative and inspiring. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up to show your support. We have a special video just for you, where we cover 20 jobs you can get in Canada with free visa sponsorships. The best part is that these jobs don't require extensive experience, accept low education levels, and have no age limits. Anyone and everyone can apply. Make sure to check out our channel for that video. Now, we have more exciting content lined up just for you, so stay tuned. Remember, your dream of relocating to Canada is just one step away. Keep exploring, stay motivated, and good luck on your journey. Bye for now.